It's that time of year again. We're getting ready for Santa's workshop. We'll help get your wish list to Santa. Santa and the elves in your family have asked us to get together a wish list for you. The way this works is you fill out a wish list, we give you ideas, we show you some of Elaine and Cheryl's favorite things, and some of the favorites of others in the shop. You fill out a wish list and get it to us. The last thing you do is fill out the address list. This is the hard mail addresses of the people that do your Christmas shopping. We forward a wish list to them along with a discount coupon for any shopping that they do here at the Sewing Basket. That's all there is to it. When you drop off your address list, we'll give you your free Northern Star pattern. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you and your family soon.